want to say
Nyame adom kakra bro na nso e.
Nyame adom me ho ye.
Kese na se no penso e sweet.
Me da se pa. And Friday.
Yes, of course.
Enti baby apeso de bojaye. Baby apeso de fa bia no. Evanto for me.
Friday ni emtufu no.
Friday there.
Super.
Me ankasa me bra pani. Super bondi do was Friday there. We do futu am yemra Monday.
Now
weekend there. Boys in tier futu.
But yeah, bro. And then may ade about Barca, Karim Adeyemi.
Okay.
But may the Baba be free baby now fame Barca story no so. Every Barca fan believe say season year ni season. Every Barca fan and him say Premier League e ba boy e ne dia. Rachel in the end your more special belief no. Share Nancy answer World Cup boy Spain na age. Okay. So remember historical antecedents be. I am more that strong conviction they say La Liga ye ba bebo no. E Barca dia na even season yi Champions League ye ba bebo so no. E no so ye Barca dia. Rich say na city here. Make out 2008 why mo na G Euros? E Barca. Sorry, Spain. Spain Nigeria so okay. Spain Nigeria so that time no na Barca players enya dominant to team no. 2008 they had Puyol, they had Xavi and then Iniesta. Only 3 players are no mo esia kan omo edi Spain national team akotene. So 2008 they won the European Championship. Subsequently, omo toa Super Baba World Cup 2010. We so okay. Now rate at the end 2010 before you about World Cup no Spain e kwa kwadi Nhyira Barca and a Premier League and so Pep Guardiola team no omo eje Premier League no and omo sign J the Spanish Super Cup Madrid e called trophyless last season no Owie no kofa Jose Mourinho the special one edene buy Rich 2026 Madrid as akwa for Jose Mourinho aba the special one odene ba ne nso no Barca san je double no ebiom oje the Spanish Super Copa and osan so eje Primera Liga asan je sa tu tiwa trend bi a ade no e follow omo wie yen so no ya bo European Championship no Spain aje European Championship owie no asan so e de ato so asan je World Cup. Just like the year 2008, 2010. So the European Championship. Algeria no Cyber World Cup 2010. Now the Emma is so interesting. Madrid has a trophyless. And Madrid has a Jose Mourinho, the special one, as our baby. The assignment at the end is so interesting. They say, Rich, 2010 World Cup finals. Okay, they say go man, Spain at the AJ. Iniesta. Okay, good. Pacho 2026 World Cup finals no when they should go no the man Spain World Cup Ferran Torres
idea boy yeah Ferran Torres yeah
good Pacho about the team bay
Barcelona
Iniesta no about the man
Barcelona
okay good Rich message another trend that a follow 2008 and a 2010 World Cup Barca had 8 players. When him say you be show Facebook, Barca had 8 players. Now 8 players no any. Now Victor Valdez. Now Carlos Puyol team no. They had Iniesta. They had Xavi. They had Busquets. They had Pedro Rodriguez. And they had David Sanchez Villa. Mind you, then not David Sanchez Villa. Now was signed before about the South Africa 2010 World Cup no, from Valencia. No was signed at the Barca. And you as a Barca player. Hence Barca at the 8 players. And a boy Spain mine. 8 through the 7 no back World Cup finals you can 7 started except Victor Valdez one chance here. Rich, Central World Cup here, your boy here. World Cup here, your boy, I me patrol unim Barca players don't do call World Cup way. Barca had 8 players in the World Cup. O the omo no more bench ni na omo amobi na baba beka ho omo asanya another 8 team. Now Rich, Barca 8 players are omo enya o team no. Say in the city here, Oba Paul Kubasi were starter, solid centre back. Oba kan Lamine Yamal meboa. Danny Olmo enso ka ho. Fran Torres ono NSS decisive winner no. Oba baba beka Pedri ono nso knockouts abrantia no ewura mu. Oka sa players we no baba beka Eric Garcia. No asa baba beka Gavi. No baba beka Juan Garcia. But what the Nhyira say? Enti you're saying 8 Barcelona players. So almost 30 or more 30 o ka bomu ya baba benya 8 biom. Omo asan aboa. Ama Spain national team asan World Cup.
Ndi ato.
Afi what chat na? Afi so at me chat na say. Now the woman ayehu ne say sa period na Spain dominate ya Barca players no. No me so dominant no. Ya sign boss our World Cup new year 2010. Almost signed 2 hours to the following season. Barca and signed La Liga. Owie na oje Champions League ne kan so okay o sign double because Jose Mourinho leg na oje no rather after World Cup now Barca signed league ne Champions League no the next one the 2011-2012 there no and our 2012 edition no and na Jose Mourinho the Real Madrid eje ti say offer by history na o share how ade no asese na aircode clearly it tells you say Barca the possibility says season leg no all sign ageno very high and Obabian so do stay no aside the Champions League asoso because by then the players when sa exposure confidence level ekosro that feel good factor because the point is that Real Madrid and even one player or World Cup result disadvantage no it is certainly Barca players no ever their psyche that feel good factor no already ho say world champions you contribute greatly and the my World Cup no but what you say so that feel good factor already is there.
Ebia Madrid
offer biometrics
Spanish players no more nya repo but the other players almost so warm more countries no almost nya a taste of the World Cup
exactly
anti ebia no kwa ntimi affect Madrid the moment you win
and the major too but me can the psychological in a way
okay.
You get it now you're moving from that na me the side history no na Rich Borussia Dortmund player finally wababa be Barca player Karim Adeyemi Rich unim na me shedin say o share abrantian age now any talent ni potential na ote transfer figure na o say quite interesting less than even 32 million euros. This is a personality by virtue of the potential who say clearly any ni age I want side no and your map be brave but make a segue no na a match made in heaven abrantia na no in a way ebua ma niema so simple edema Barca adintina make us at a point so obekaya even clubs from Saudi Arabia no more open including EPL and abrantia man is so clear catch a Dortmund for and say look niema mienu either say mo bema me contract le beba na wie na me go for free because me imagine say Barca and amebo so okay o kan sa asem o ka che ni agent Jorge Mendes say bema oni nkrofo ni nkasa so mo nton me Barca anso na me imagine say me ko me nko ba bia and we say onim say football no by Emrano player interest edru honoma account so okay maybe somewhere to fills na the wages was soro wo Barca omo so mo ton ni bi o so nko ba bia na untimi nya ne hwe abrantia ne say until mo beton me e dia ma Barca no me twa ma me contract no arane out na ma ko for free so at a point they had no option because player any interest or ma be clear no say Barca and so penny the only team or person obo and it reminds me so much of Andre Ashavin time nana or Fraser St. Petersburg Eba Arsenal at a point no so no ankasa transfer kit no adni sika kakra esoso because now bent on joining Arsenal. Abrantia no reason tia menim se oyesa no eye ade ba ko mienu. Me remfi say Hansi Flick. And the kind ma Abrantia ne sa international exposure, sa recognition, the first call up or no any demand of the German national team. Onim very well said when you a personal like Hansi Flick no any year juma abebuan ye. And Rich say o sha de critically now analyze your Barca ya de bi
How do you no?
Matia Minia, mem say we no just a part 2 Mumbai.
Yeah, no problem.
Barca ya dey be the Barca ni. Or manage life after Robert Lewandowski. This is a player, of course, minim say Karim Adeyemi. Enye a natural center forward. Robert Lewandowski the Odebema or Odema and yes sanity. But or manage life without Robert Lewandowski say. Just like the Oye de Bois Germany national team as assistant coach. No? Say goals, no, a player at a point about 2-3 seasons consistently no about Barca top scorer. Say only who I want to be replacing Lewandowski bet me amount 40 or more goals a season. Name on the Obani say at least any players will be at the BB ever on board no be ever goals. So offer obi say Karim Adeyemi the Obenyani in terms of pace or more pace. Front three ho say obo as a right winger, as a left winger, obo as the main man up front honum no. Sani mani nyina or the amount. And Barca Chelsea was answering pace on the team. Okay. Odim so far CIES Observatory report on football. Matia Minia. This is a player at a point even running faster than Usain Bolt. Our pace are plenty. So for Barca currently Anthony Gordon, Rafinha. Over Karim Adeyemi na all the count. A Chelsea season se Barca enusia. You should expect that tactically we're very versatile. And Hansi Flick here one person or Pesadiano from the materials. And apparently me saying who idea be say oh say Lamine Yamal consistently aka. Say or per se onye more central role. Na o free wings so because I come here quite open and bebree. And the Abrante and the bond boss so steady even the World Cup against Belgium. At a point, no, 2 or 3 players now. Almost exam. And Abrantiano episode impacted game centrally. Rich, Odi Nyame Ports now. Himself, so yes, because of
Yama Joshua Zumbremuna. And a Friday, Yamon Kakakram Enko. Josh,
yeah, Rich.
I mean, baby, I was
yeah. I think.